Accidents are common in the workplace. This video was created for educational and safety awareness purposes. We'll show recreated or documented scenes as examples, explain how they happened, and how to prevent them in real life, so you can avoid them in workplace. Do not attempt to recreate any of this. The worker leaned into the press area to retrieve a part while the cycle was still active. This shows how easy it is to misjudge timing in automated systems. Physical barriers or light curtains should prevent access until the press has fully stopped. Cycle indicators and audible alarms help ensure the operator knows when motion is still active. No task inside the danger zone should ever depend on human timing, only on verified system isolation. A worker reaches into the machine after opening the cover and is struck and trapped by a part still in motion. The accident is due to bypassing the guard and failing to release all stored energy before intervention. Before opening any panel, the lockout-tagout procedure must confirm the release of all mechanical or hydraulic energy. Never rely on visual inspection alone. This worker enters the machine's confined space to make an adjustment while it is still active. This extreme rule violation results in immediate entrapment by moving components. Never enter machine internals. Lockout-tagout procedures are mandatory for all adjustments. Always stay outside the danger zone. Driver fails to lower dump bed, crashing into overhead pipe. This is caused by ignoring vehicle configuration and overhead clearance. Always verify clearance. Check your vehicle. The worker stepped inside the machine before the cycle had fully stopped. This risk appears when energy isolation isn't verified and the operator relies only on visual judgment. Interlocked doors and lockout systems prevent entry until motion is completely halted. Always confirm full stop. The operator reached behind the press while the cycle was still active. This kind of risk occurs when the cycle status isn't visible. A physical barrier or interlocked guard would have prevented access during movement. Clear lighting, warning signals, and cycle indicators remind operators that the system is still running. Prevention begins with design. Equipment must make unsafe actions impossible, not just unlikely.